What is going on, you guys? Big Z and this one from Learn Bengali, and welcome to another Bengali tutorial by Big Z. This video is still part of that series of videos that I've been making, and therefore you'll be learning 61 to 70 in Bengali in this video. Well, I mean, I cover Bengali, English, French, and Spanish, but you guys know what I'm talking about, right? We're going to focus on Bengali, but I'm still going to cover the numbers in Spanish and French because I'm trying to learn these two other languages. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started, eh? All right, so let's get started. But before getting started, let's talk about these two hybrid alphabets here. I've mentioned that last lesson when we covered 51 to 60, right? Akanobanos and all those guys. No plus no. Well, this is don't no, right? No plus no gives you no I know it. So this is what it is. Okay, let's just go scroll up a little bit so that I can show you what I'm talking about. See here, atanno. So no and no gives you this. So that's that. Dontanno. So it's two dontannos, like two of them, gives you this guy here. So they basically what? Get together or something, have sex or whatever. You can just think about it like that. But no, just think about them getting together. Yeah, forget about the other part I said. So that's that. Okay. No gives you. This is the thing. Dontan no. Like it's like two dontan nos gives you this no. So that's why you say atan no, right? Atan no, shatan no, chapan no, right? Just like this is like paw, like two paws gives you this paw, whatever. Oh yeah, I didn't go over that. I'll probably mention that in the next video coming up, right? So yeah, that's that. And then we have to here, and this applies for our current tutorial here. To and to gives you this to and this with the thingy here. So that's why it becomes like ekshoti, bashoti, teshoti, and all those things. Okay, so let's get started. Ekshoti is Ekshoti. Ekshoti is Ekshoti. Okay. 61 is Ekshoti. Okay. There you go. Ekshoti. Ekshoti. 61. And it says 61. 61. Okay. Ekshoti. Remember that. And this is, you guys know what this is, right? Modinasho. So this is Modinasho. There's Talibasho, Dontasho. This is Modinasho. All right. So Bashuti is Bashuti. 62. Okay. 62 is Bashuti. Okay. 62 right here. 62 in French. 62. Okay. So that's Bashuti. Bashuti. And then we got 63, which is Teshoti. Teshoti. So this is not to, this is to. So that's why you say Teshoti. Teshoti. I don't know. There's only T here in English, so I just got to. I just got T written here, but it's Teshoti. Which is 63 in Spanish and 63 in French. 63. Okay. 64. Chouchoti. Chouchoti. Right? Chouchoti. I got it right. Chouchoti. Yeah. And then we got 64. 64. So remember, it's Chouchoti. Chouchoti. 65 is Poinchoti. So there's a Chandrabindu on top of the paw here. So that's why it's point. You use your nasal cavity. Poinchoti. 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 65. 65. Okay, remember. Okay, let's just go back. Ekshoti, Bashoti, Teshoti, Choshoti, Poinchoti. There you go. Halfway there, man. We're halfway there. And after that, we got Cheshoti. Cheshoti, right? Choekar, Modinasho, Toy Toy Roshi. Okay? Cheshoti. 66, 66. 66. Yeah. Cheshoti. And after that, we got Shatshoti. Remember? Remember, 7 is Shat in Bengali, right? So it's Shatshoti. Okay, okay, yeah, this is Shatshoti. I thought it's the Spanish version. And we got 67. 67. That's 67. And 67. 67. Alright, Shatshoti. And after that, we got Atshoti. Atshoti. At is 8. And we got Shoti. Right? So 68 basically. Yeah. Atshoti. 68. 68. 68. That's in French. Oh my, okay. Uno shotur. After that, we got 69. It can mean a lot of things to a lot of people if you have a dirty mind. but I hope you don't have a dirty mind, okay? Okay, so unoshottur is 69, 69, 69, and 69, 69, unoshottur. We got this, right? Unoshottur, yep. And remember, this is dirghu here. It's not roshu. This is dirghu. Okay, unoshottur. Oh, and this guy is toy toy. Like two to's, you add them up, and then this becomes this o, but then o has a matra on top of it. Okay, so unoshottur. And after that we got shottur. Shottur. Yeah, shottur. Setenta. Setenta is simple in Spanish, but look what happens here in French. Soixante-dix. This, I think, yeah. Yeah, this gets complicated. So it's like 60 plus 10. French is really complicated, man. 70, oh yeah, 70, man. That's good enough. Okay, so start from 65 here. 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Okay, makes sense? I'm gonna go over them one more time. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Right? And then we got 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. In French, we got 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Yeah, tough, man. Hard life if you're French. Well, I mean, if you're learning French. But yeah, that's that. 60, 61 to 70. Can't believe I've covered all of them basically, like most of them from 100 to 1 to 100. What am I saying, man? I'm losing my mind. But yeah, that's that. So yeah, I hope this video makes sense to you guys. Any question, comment, let me know. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching my videos, and do not forget to subscribe. Big Z out.